Now we have to discuss the DC motor. A DC motor is a machine that transforms electrical energy into mechanical energy in the form of rotation. So basically a DC motor convert electrical energy into the mechanical energy. Now you can see the figure for this DC motor. In this figure you can see that is a figure of DC motor. Now we have to discuss the different types of DC motor. So that is a classification of DC motor. In this classification, basically DC motor can be classified in three manners. First, that is a separately excited DC motor. Second, that is a self-excited DC motor. And then third, that is a permanent magnet DC motor. Now, self-excited DC motor can also further classified into three manners. First, that is a self-excited DC motor, then shunt excited DC motor and compound excited DC motor. So that is a classification of DC motor. Now we have to discuss each and every motor one by one. First, that is a separately excited DC motor. The separately excited DC motor, that means the field and armature windings are separately connected across the DC supply. That means field and armature winding having a no physical connection. Now in this figure you can see the field winding and armature winding both are connected and there is a no physical connection between field and armature winding. Now you can see the field winding is connected across the DC supply. In this figure you can see there is a terminal plus and minus. It is connected across the DC supply. Now also in the armature winding you can see this circuit is connected across the positive and negative terminal of the DC supply. So in this figure you can see there is a no physical connection between the field and armature winding. Both are separately connected. Now in the armature winding you can see that is a shaft of a DC motor. Okay, then you can see in this separately excited motor there is a current flow in this field winding and also in the armature winding you can see that is also a current can be flow. That is the direction of the current flow. Now you can we have to discuss the next topic, that is a shunt motor. Shunt motor, as per the name of this motor, that means it have a parallel connection. So field winding and armature winding is connected in parallel across the DC voltage supply. So field and armature windings are parallelly connected. So in this figure you can see that is first, that is field winding, and second, that is armature winding. Now if we see in the figure you can see both field winding and armature windings are parallelly connected across the DC supply. In this figure you can see that is connected across the DC supply, and also in this figure you can see the plus and minus terminal. Now at the center of the armature there is a shaft connected. In this shaft, across the shaft you can see that is load is connected. Okay, now in this figure you can see there is a current also flow in this circuit. Current first flow in the field winding, and in this you can see the current that can be flow in the armature winding, and also circuit is closed. Now we have to discuss the next type of motor, that is a series motor. A series motor, the field and armature winding is connected in series with the DC supply voltage. Now in this figure you can see the field winding and then armature winding both are connected in series with this DC supply. You can see in this figure you can field winding and armature winding both are connected across this series winding across this DC supply. There is a one positive terminal and also a negative terminal across this DC supply. So in this series motor you can see the field winding and the armature winding, both are connected in the series. Okay, now you can see at the center of the armature a shaft is connected, and at the end of the shaft a load is also connected. Now if we see the current in this circuit, you can see the current that is flow shown by the arrow, that is in first flow to the field winding and then armature winding. So here the connection is in series, so current is same. So in this series motor the current can be flow is same. Now you can see that is a polarity plus and minus across this field winding and armature winding. Now in this thank you.